Hello, good evening, everyone. This is UAE. My name is Chidozie Onislike, and we are well once again to present to you a wonderful topic today. We're gonna complete the topic we couldn't complete last time, and we're gonna introduce another one. Just a simple, a very short but very important topic. So thank you for being with us. Thank you for sharing our videos. Thank you for liking us. Thank you for following us, and we really appreciate it. And we want to use this opportunity to also tell you that we also render services like visa preparation and any other thing. If you need a very nice visa, we can help you with that. Tourist visa, 1 month visa, 3 month visa, transit visa, employment visa, residence visa. That's if you want to have your own permit. You don't need any company, just want to be on your own. We can still help you with that. Those are our services at a very cheap rate, very, very cheap rate. You'll be surprised at the price we'll give to you. So feel free to contact us, you can write to us on our page, you can email us, our email is there, and you can also chat us on WhatsApp. Our numbers are there. So thank you very much for being with us. Please keep sharing, keep liking our videos, and we promise to always give you the best information, undiluted. We're going to tell you the real deal about Dubai. No painting, no stories, not like your regular agent do tell you, Dubai is heaven and that. Dubai is heaven if you know your way, if you know how to plan yourself very well. But Dubai is also hell if you spend without thinking. So Dubai can help you in any way. That's what we present to you. Then you now make your choice. We give you the options, and you now choose from the options we present to you. We tell you everything to allow you make a decisive, to make up your mind decisively, not just on speculations. We don't speculate. I tell you things based on real stuff, true life story. That's what I can't tell you what I have not experienced or what someone beside me have not experienced. So like I said, please keep sharing our videos, keep liking us. Go to our YouTube channel and subscribe. This is UAE. We're just new in the market, but the goal is to inform people about coming to UAE, things to do, how to do them, and things to avoid in order not to get into trouble. There's so many articles are coming up, so many content are coming. So please follow us, share us, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Like we stopped last time, last time our topic was things to do before coming to UAE, and the things. Let me just recap them. Know about the country you're coming to, if possible, Google it and have your information. Know about the economy, know about living standard, everything about Dubai, the working class, and the payment, the salary, and stuff like that. It will help you not to be defrauded. Another thing was, have your passport ready. Another thing was know your medical status, and after knowing your medical status, because anything can send you away from me after you've exhausted your money and time, you've wasted your money and time, and you've been sent back on ordinary stuff that you would have treated in your home country. It's not fair. So that's why we say that medical stuff is very important. And another thing is learn something. Have your money standing by. Get a visa. And when your visa is out, UAE visa is usually 3 to 5 days, working days, and it's out. So get your visa and have enough money for the expenses. There are a lot of expenses here, especially if you don't know your way around. If you don't have someone, have enough money. And the last we'll talk about now is please, if you're coming to UAE, learn something. Have something you can offer. A vocational skill. Is it barbing? Is it catering? Is it tiling? Is it plumbing? Is it barbing? That's a lot of things. Is it fashion designing? You need to learn something, but it's very important. It helps you to be above normal people that are seeking for jobs. it puts you on a professional level. So it's very important. So you need to learn something. If you're a lady, learn how to make hair, learn how to fix nails, eyelashes, learn how to sew clothes, be a fashion designer. It doesn't take time. You can still, learn it and come here and make a lot of money. People here are making a lot of money from that. If you're a guy, you can learn how to be a barber, a tyler, an electrician. There's so many things. Learn something, especially barbing. Because barbing gives you, you can do it at any time. We can have jobs and still be barbing. It's very important. You learn something. You have a vocational skill. It's very, very important. That being said, our next, our next video, our next topic, the topic is UAE visa. If anyone that is in UAE, anyone that is coming to UAE needs a visa. And unless if you are from a country that is UAE visa free, that has a waiver that UAE gives, you can come in, stay 3 months and go back. Countries like England, countries like America, countries like France, countries like New Zealand, those ones, they can come in here without visa. Understand? Or your country is on visa on arrival. There are some countries that UAE gives visa on arrival. Those countries, they can come without even applying for visa from their own country. But apart from those categories of countries, other countries must obtain a visa, must obtain a valid visa. So that visa might be 1 month, it might be 3 months, it might be transit visa, it might be resident visa, it might be employment visa, and newly approved. Yeah, they just approved a 5-year tourist visa. It happened on Saturday, either Saturday or Friday. I don't know which day, but it was it's a new visa on board. There's a new visa on board, 5-year tourist visa. So I don't know, the details is not yet out, but we'll keep you informed about that and how to obtain it. I guess that visa will come with a lot of terms and conditions, my brother. But whichever way, we'll keep you informed. So those are the visas you need to acquire before coming to UAE. It depends on what you want to come here to do. If you're coming for trading, if you're coming for tourism, if you're coming on visiting. 1 month, we have 1 month tourism visa. Then we have 1 month 1 month short-term visa. We have 3 months visit visa. People do call that tourist visa. 3 months is not a tourist visa. Many people think it's a tourist visa. 3 months is a visit visa. If you're here to visit, you need 3 months. That's why in 3 months they ask for deposit. Understand? 1 month is for tourism. Then we have 3 months long-term visa. 3 months long-term multi-entry. That means you can, within 3 months, you can enter up to more than once. That's what it means. Then 1 month, 30 days. Let me just use this word. 30 days multi-entry short-term visa. It means within 30 days, you can enter as much as you want. More than once, more than one time. So that's the difference. 30 days multi-entry short-term visa. And we also have 3 months visit visa and 3 months visit, that's 90 days visit visa and 90 days multi-entry short-term visa. So those two are two different things. Multi-entry means you can enter more than once. Those are for people coming, trading, or people that are on research, that come to UAE for research. They can come back again, or companies that are, they use it for their staff to, to be traveling from one country to UAE without, needing to apply for more visas. So that's the stuff. All these visas, you need them. You must have a visa before you come to UAE. So this visa, how do you get them? You can get them through an agent. You can get them through online. You can apply online if you have the necessary documents. You can apply online. You can go to our page. We've uploaded the requirement for a visa for you. You can go and check it out on our page and on our Instagram page too. So you can get it online. You can get it offline. You can get it through their visa centers across the world. There's in any embassy, in their embassies, you can get it there. You can get it online. You can get it in their embassy. You can get it through agent, which is the most popular one. The true agent is very popular because you just apply and the agents know their way. They have the platform. It's a registered company, so it's easier for them to get those things for you than you applying, because you apply there's a lot of protocol. You might not have time for that, so which that's what we do. You can approach us for that. We can help you with tourist visa, can help you with visit visa, that's 90 days. We can help you with multi-entry, that's if you're a businessman, you come and go, we can still help you with that. And we can help you with residence. We have residence visa. Those are if you want to be on your own, you don't want to be under any company, you just want to have your paper. Maybe you're schooling, or maybe you have a business you're doing, or maybe you want to be in charge of your employment stuff. You want to have a company that people that for so many reasons you can decide to have your resident visa. We can still help you with that. So employment, we can still help you with employment visa if you want. So whichever one you want, it's possible. But please be careful who you entrust your money with, because there's a lot of people here that will tell you shit, that will tell you smooth things, just to get that money from you. A lot of them don't have a job. A lot of them don't have a house. They are so desperate to collect that money from you. So that's the most reason you should be very careful. And when someone tells you something that is too good to be true, that's the only thing I can tell you now. The only way to know them is they tell you something that is too good to be true. They tell you that you have a job that's 8 hours. It's hard to get a job 8 hours in UAE, apart from unless you're working in a hotel, unless it's a hotel establishment. Even hotels do work 9-10 hours. They'll promise you 8 hours. They'll promise you 6 days or 5 days a week. They'll promise you they will pay you 2,500 dirhams. That's approximately $700. Approximately $800. They'll promise you that, and they will the offer will be too good to be true. It's just be careful. That's all I can tell you. I've listed the visas you need. If you want to come for tourists, you apply for 30 days or 90 days. Understand? If you want to come to search in search of a job, you can also use that 90 days and come. And then when you get a job, you can now go for a change of status, or the company can help you now change your status. So that's my advice for you guys. Please stop believing this agent that tell you, oh, give me 9,000 dirhams and I'll get you a job that will pay you $3,000 and $1,000 or $2,000, as the case may be in so many places. Please just be careful. Once an offer is too good to be true, please be careful. Be careful. Run for your life. Once an offer is too good to be true, please run for your life. So what again are we saying now? You need to be careful, my friend, because there's so many wolves in sheep's clothing, as in waiting for you to devour the little money you're coming with. Please be careful. You can write me, you can write us on our page, you can write me anytime through the email and I will reply you. I'll always be available to reply you guys. Please stop falling victim to these guys. It's heartbreaking when people. And another advice I have for you guys: if you have enough money, I think you want to come to Dubai, instead of giving an agent 12,000 dirhams, that's approximately 1.2 million in my country, that's Nigeria, maybe approximately, should I say, $3,000 or four. Instead of giving an agent $4,000 to do a visa for you, I implore you to use that $4,000. Just apply for your tourist visa. It can be 90 days or it can be 30 days. Come to this town, use the rest and apply for a residence permit, a residence visa. Residence visa you can get as low as $8,000. I'm telling you, up to let's say $2,500. You can get it for as low as that, $2,500. Understand? And you be on your own. You get a job of your own, and you live freely. You go to your country anytime you want. Instead of just giving an agent sometimes $3,000, $4,000, and you end up he gives you 3 months visa to come here and suffer. Please share this information. It's very important. It use just a little money, make your 1 month visa or 3 months visa, come here, then apply for a residence visa. It's much more better than that. Please, like I'm begging, because this thing is hurting me so bad. I've seen on daily basis. I see a lot of people that have been defrauded. They pay up to $5,000, $4,000 to come here, and they are not even given a job. They start looking for job, on their own, not even the agent. The agent is nowhere to be found. So please, guys, share this information so that people will stop falling prey to these guys. Please, that money, that job, that $4,000 you're giving to an agent, use it. Get an tourist visa. Come to this town. Contact me if need be, and I will link it to someone that will do your resident visa for you, about $2,500, $2,500, or highest $3,000. They will, give you your residence permit, and you're free to go, and you're free to travel to your home country just for 2 years, and you can choose the job. You can now choose your job, and